Hello everyone, I'm Barney and I work on the tray counter at Fast Key Services, and in this video we're going to show you how to remove double wing pedestal locks. So this will be the lock that's going to be being removed from this filing cabinet. We are going to need a few things though in order to do this properly. If for whatever reason it's locked up, we'll need either a working set of keys like this or a master key should be absolutely fine. And we'll also need a posi drive or Phillips head screwdriver. Luckily, very minimal tools are needed for this. So first things first, let's get the filing cabinet open. Okay, so now we've got the filing cabinet open, all we need to do is take out the original keys if we don't need those. And all we need to do is remove these two screws here. So just get your screwdriver and undo them. Now this will be the same on the single wing pedestals. The only difference is that you'll only need to remove one screw rather than two. So pinch that against the door. There we go. So now we've got both screws out. Just push the lock through like this. And that's the lock removed. And that is how you remove double wing pedestal locks. I really do hope you found this all very useful and informative, so thank you very much for watching. If you want to see some more videos from us, there's a subscribe button down there. If you click on that, that will really help us. But next to it there's a bell icon. If you click on that, you get to stay notified for whenever we upload a new video. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.